Hi, I'm Spencer Sherman, and I've been a financial advisor forever. I want to talk about something that's unusual in finance, and that's joy. So from all the world's spiritual wisdom traditions, we find that joy is a very productive emotion. We know that when we have joy, we're able to access our common sense and our wisdom, which is what we need more than anything around money. And that wisdom is inside each of us. So the opposite of joy is fear. And today, we're all feeling that. And fear has been something that's been with us for thousands of years. And a long time ago, fear was necessary for our survival. But today, our fear keeps us from thriving. So I want to invite you to have the courage to investigate your body and see, where are you holding tension? Maybe in your shoulders, maybe in your jaw, behind your eyes, and invite those areas of the body that are tensing to relax. And that's where you're holding the fear. And as you relax those areas of tension, joy enters. So here's the opportunity. For this week, take advantage of this joy and do your most creative, productive work. And for 3 minutes, I want you to write an answer to this prompt. What's the most important thing to do that I've been putting off? And write for 3 continuous minutes. And then also write one easy, simple step that you can take this week. I invite you to join me in one of my upcoming programs. All right, we'll talk more about joy and fear. Enjoy.